Today I will be doing a skit because it is time for these dogs to learn some pure manners and go to dog school. These guys need to learn their lessons and they need to learn. They need to learn that peeing is not right only outside and pooping. So today, kids, turn to page 285. Okay, good job. Do you have a question, Charlie? Very good question. He just asked if when they have recess. You guys have recess in around 5 minutes. So everybody learn their stuff. Learn your math homework, learn your reading homework, learn your social studies, and I will be reading to you your science homework, everybody, okay? Sum it up. When you're done, use the answer key to check and revise your work. Write the correct word to complete the sentences in 4 outer boxes. Then decide whether each set of clues describes the inner planets or their outer planets. Write the correct type of planet in the middle box. Is everybody listening? Okay, good. So, that guy went to the restroom. So, people, can you tell me, Lil Cliffina, what the answer to number 1 is? Correct. Each planet in the group, this group has many beep, 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 beep. The bell rang. Kids, you are free to go to recess. You have an amazing day, kids. Please, you guys have been so good today. Thank you for coming to school. So, go to recess. How do you like this? How do you like learning in school? Huh? How about you? Do you guys like school? Please tell me you like school. Charlie, what are you reading? Oh, you're reading Small Science? Cool. Bella, what are you reading? Oh, it's a book about Texas, and looks like Fina took off early to go. She didn't even finish her math homework. She forgot to answer number 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Oh, that little girl. But these guys, they're doing their homework and studying. What are you doing, Johnny? Doing science homework? Good job. Okay, this is about to cut to you guys going lunch. Okay? Bon appetit. Now, we need to find out where that little girl went. What are you doing? School just ended for recess. You know the day isn't over yet, right? You guys are still here? I thought you'd go to lunch. But looks like you guys want to study. These dogs are very, very good. They learn lessons after what they do. Isn't that right? Okay, I think he just left for lunch. Oh no, he's taking a nap. Okay. Today, you guys did great and fantastic. I'm glad that I met you and got to teach you today. But we will be back tomorrow with another episode of this series / dog school park thing. So if you enjoyed this video, my friends, please
hit that subscribe button down below and that like button. And as always, I'll see you later. Peace out, my good people. We'll come out with the next series tomorrow. And as always, adios. Goodbye.